Hello friends, welcome to Share and Gain. Today we will see Tata Motors special news. This news is positive for all the Tata Motor investors and traders. Let us see what are the news are, how Tata Motors are performing fundamentally and technically. The very first news is Tata Motor launches BS6 range of passenger vehicles in Nepal with the tagline New Forever. Tata Motors has joined hands with Sipredi Private Limited, who will be the sole authorized distributor of Tata passenger vehicles in the Nepal country. With this alliance, Tata Motor has introduced its Tiago, Tigor, Nexon, Ultras and Harrier models in Nepal. All the models are BS6 compliant and features with the Impact 2.0 design language. So this is the very first news about Tata Motors. Second special news about the Tata Motors is Tata Motors continues to be the third largest car maker in India in the month of February 2021 with a healthy year-on-year sales growth of 119%. Tata Motors sold 27,224 units of cars this year February 2021. In the previous year it is managed to sell only 12,430 units. So with this, with a massive increase of year-on-year volume 119%. Nexon was sold around 7,900 units, whereas Ultras is about 6,800 units, and Tiago is managed to sell about 6,700 units in the February 2021. So Nexon, Ultras, Tiago are the most selling models. The third positive news about the Tata Motors is Tata Motors has launched its Ultra Seek T-Series range of intermediate and light commercial vehicle trucks in India, which is available in three models, that is T6, T7 and T9. So which is consist of various deck lengths and can load a capacity of 3.3 ton to 5.2 tons. The prices of the Ultra Sleek T-Series range vehicles start from 13.99 lakh rupees to 17.29 lakh rupees. So this is one of the good news for the Tata Motors. The fourth breaking news about the Tata Motors is Tata Motors recently launched their all-new 7-seater SUV Safari in the market. It competes with SUVs like MG Hector Plus, upcoming Hyundai's Alcazar and Mahindra SUV 500 in this segment. It was only early this year that Tata Motors announced that the new 7-seater SUV will be named after the iconic SUV Safari. The response from the customers for all new Safari is pretty good, as there is a waiting period of 2.5 months on this SUV. The fifth good news for Tata Motors is the Delhi High Court has issued a stay order against the delisting of Tata Nexon EV from the Delhi government's list of vehicles eligible for its EV subsidies, which is a temporary relief to the Tata Motors. According to the statement by Tata Motors, the High Court has also granted time to Delhi government to file a counter affidavit. So why Delhi government was delisted? Because of the consumer complaints about its subpar range, which means the whatever the mileage promised by ARAI certification is not meeting with the actual road mileage. Thus, the stay order will come to a relief to Tata Motors, as the range of controversy erupted over consumer complaints and not from certified agency. Moreover, all vehicles, electric vehicles and internal combustion engines have a variation between real world and ARAI certified mileage. Therefore, any action should have been taken after a proper investigation into the extent of variation, and if this issue is widespread across all Nexon. One more positive news about Tata Motors is President of Commercial Vehicle Business Unit Tata Motors Mr. Girish Wagh said commercial vehicle segment badly hit by COVID-induced lockdown. It is expected to see a volume growth of 30% in the next fiscal year 2021-2022. However, owing the increase in the commodity prices, Tata Motors will have to undertake another price increase in commercial vehicles from April 2021. He said it had raised its commercial vehicle prices in January by 1 to 1.5%, and still steel and other commodity prices have been increasing, and it has necessitated Tata Motors to increase its prices. The extent of price hike will depend on the commercial vehicle products, and Tata Motors is yet to decide the extent of the price increase. So friends, these are the special breaking and good news about the Tata Motors. Now let us see how the stock is performing technically. The currently stock is in a correction mode. Once it crosses 340, it will easily reach 450. 450 is having some resistance, but once it breaks the 450, it will easily touch the 550 to 600. So since there are new developments with respect to electric vehicles in India, the prices hikes in steel, raw materials, share price of Tata Motors is expected to reach higher values very soon. Investor can consider entering the stock at the current market price, that is 317 rupees, and traders can wait until 340 rupees. Once it crosses 340, one can consider entering into it. The first target would be 450 and the second target will be 550. So you can follow a stop loss of 295 rupees. By the way, if someone asks me, do you have this gem in your portfolio? My answer is yes. I was managed to enter this at very lower levels and holding with a profit of 340%. Friends, this is my analysis on Tata Motors. If you like my video, please share and subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you. Happy investing.